Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Building a database-backed web app with Python, Tools and Examples. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will explore the Python tools and libraries you can use to build a database-backed web application. A database-backed web app stores and retrieves data from a database, providing dynamic content to users. We will cover the essential tools, frameworks, and libraries needed for this task, including Flask, SQLAlchemy, and SQLite. Prerequisites. Before getting started, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You should also have a basic understanding of Python, web development concepts, and how to set up a virtual environment. Tools and libraries. Flask. Flask is a lightweight and popular web framework for Python that's ideal for building web applications. It provides tools for URL routing, request handling, and template rendering. You can install Flask using pip. SQLAlchemy. SQLAlchemy is an object relational mapping (ORM) library for Python that simplifies database interaction. It supports various database engines, including SQLite, PostgreSQL, MySQL, and more. Install SQLAlchemy with SQLite. SQLite is a self-contained, serverless, and zero-configuration database engine. It's a good choice for small to medium-sized web apps and is supported by SQLAlchemy. SQLite is included with Python, so you don't need to install it separately. Building the database-backed web app. Now, let's build a simple database-backed web app step by step. We'll create a web app that allows users to add and view comments. Step 1. Set up your project directory and virtual environment. Step 2. Create a Python script for your web app. Step 3. Create an HTML template, index.html, in a folder named Templates. Step 4. Run your application. Replace your _script_name.py with the name of your Python script. Visit http://localhost 5000 in your web browser to access your web app. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we've used Flask, SQLAlchemy, and SQLite to build a simple database-backed web app. You can extend this example by adding authentication, user management, and more features to create a robust web application. Remember that this is just the beginning of your journey into web development with Python. ChatGPT.